of Centara Kachan Tropicana Resort, you can see as huge area it has. Area of resort including two zones. Zone where located bungalows and villas that named as Cabana, and another zone with superior rooms building near garden swimming pool. Centara Kachan Resort was opened at 23 year and provided total renovation in 2014 year. Hotel has 157 different properties. The basic type starts from superior garden room and also 77 boutique bungalows in Bali style named as Cabana's rooms. We are before the most wonderful and luxury properties that name Premium Deluxe Cabana Garden View. Total amount are 18, the stunning Premium Deluxe Cabana Garden View in Centara Kachan Tropicana Resort. This stunning villa proposes escape to ultimate comfort and serenity in the Premium Deluxe Cabana Garden View room. This spacious 65 square meter cabana offers an idyllic retreat surrounded by nature, perfect for those who seeking a blend of luxury, privacy and tropical charm. Designed with light wooden furniture, tasteful tropical decor and large terrace, the Premium Deluxe Cabana Garden View invites you to relax and unwind in style. Guests can choose between a king-size bed or two double beds, accommodating up to 3 adults or 2 adults and 2 children up to 20 years. The price in December 2024 for one night for Premium Deluxe Cabana Garden View room for a 2 adult person with buffet breakfast is $166 American dollars. The price for one night for Premium Deluxe Cabana Garden View room for 2 adult person plus 1 child under 12 years is with buffet breakfast is the same, and the same price is $166 American dollars also for 2 adults and 2 children under 12 years. So it's very good accommodation for family with 2 children. Better book this hotel before minimum 3 weeks before arrival, because price is much better and different types of room are available, so you can make better choice. This luxurious cabana comes with a range of thoughtful amenities, including free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, bathrobes and sleeper for extra comfort. Additional features like an in-room safe, minibar, coffee tea maker, pillow menu and electronic key card add to the convenience, ensuring that every aspect of your stay is catered with care. This Premium Deluxe Cabana is really big in space, 65 square meters with 2 big beds, nice stylish mirror, small table. As I said, villa built in Bali style. Here a big panoramic windows and guests can really feel reconnection with nature. Here's a minibar and fridge, coffee and tea set, minibar with soft drink for extra charge. And one sofa also with panoramic view, very panoramic window here, and beautiful balcony. Oh, and beautiful bath with bathroom, with bath exactly, with wash, the cosmetics of this room, the toilet, and the most wanted in the Asian areas, it's the nature shower. Nature shower on the nature. You can enjoy your shower in really nature garden. I like this creative and wonderful solution like this nature shower where guests can take shower and feel absolutely merged with nature, listen to birds singing and sounds of forest. And the wardrobe of this hotel, what they can. We need to check also the safe, umbrellas, slippers, the sofa and beautiful panoramic deluxe room. They have also sunbeds and beautiful view. You can see how it's beautiful. We are walking now through the territory of all Centara Kachan Tropicana Resort on the Villas Cabana. If you are looking to relax in peace or explore the beauty of Kachan, the Premium Deluxe Cabana Garden View offers a perfect blend of elegance and comfort, setting the stage for an unforgettable island getaway. Also, Centara Kachan Resort has Premium Deluxe Cabana with ocean view, with same capacities and square meters 65, but near beach and with ocean view. In this video, we explore the diverse room categories at Centara Kachan Tropicana Resort, each designed for comfort and style. From cozy superior garden room with stunning garden views to spacious Premium Deluxe Cabana garden or ocean views that accommodate the whole family, there is a perfect space for every traveler. Discover the elegant interiors, modern amenities, and unique features of each room type, including private balconies and luxurious furnishing. For families, hotel have a kids club, a children's pool, a fun-filled playground, and a variety of kids activity to keep your little ones entertained. Lovers of sunbathing and sea can enjoy private beach, take part in exciting activities at the water sports center, or simply relax by the beachfront. And we are in Junior's Youth Garden now in Centauro Kachan Tropicana Resort. Step into tropical retreat with Junior's Youth Garden view, spacious and beautifully designed suite that offers the perfect blend of comfort and elegance. Spanning 62 square meters, this well-appointed suite is ideal for couples of small families, can accommodate 3 adults or 2 adults plus 2 children under 12 years with a king-size bed and a sofa bed for added convenience. Inside the suite is thoughtfully designed with both a bathtub and separate shower in the spacious bathroom, providing the perfect space to unwind after a day of island adventures. Bathroom is really very big and has separated area for baths with panoramic window and separated shower area. With a range of modern amenities including free Wi-Fi, air conditioning and bathrobe, your stay will be as relaxing as luxuries. The suite also includes minibar, coffee tea maker, in-room safe sleepers and the pillow menu, ensuring that every detail is taken care of to make your stay comfortable and enjoyable.
Suite of Centauro Kachan Resort. Very nice room located on the second floor. You need to come here by this stairways, and what they prepare some small elephants. Oh, we are in the Thailand, and this Junior suite has a view on the beach. The Hotel Centauro Kachan located on the first line, and also you can see, I think it's shower of another room. And this is bathroom. Bathroom is very big with the shower also, and ceiling is very high. You can say it's a tower. Also beautiful bath with amazing view. What I like in Asian countries and in good hotels in here, it's this amazing bath with amazing view. And the bathroom and the safe here. The sleepers also they provided. This is bath, this is wardrobe, and also some needed. And coming back from Junior suite.
Centauro Kachan Resort is really as a paradise. Here is a river also and even a lake. Guests can walk and dream here in this lush forest tropical paradise.
And I'm in Centauro Kachan Resort, and we're going to check in for this hotel and check the room of this hotel. It's a very beautiful resort, I can say. Honestly, it's like a beautiful garden. And I live in 3202 in Centauro Kachan. It's another area, a little bit left located, and some lake here also.
We check in now to this superior garden room in Centauro Kachan Tropicana Resort 5-star. I'm happy that after long road and long flight from Europe, we exactly check in and can relax now for some time. If you like this video and find it useful and interesting, please like and subscribe for our channel.
And this is a superior room of Centauro Kachan Resort. Also, the room is very beautiful. Really, it's me, cool. And what we have? We have 2 king-size bed. It's 2 normal bed. We have a mirror. We have a TV here, a table, a chair, a telephone, some charge station. Very interesting ventilator on the ceiling. Also we have a beautiful patio, beautiful terrace here with very nice view on the pool from this side. Yes. And we have small sofa here. It's our room. It's beautiful for holidays and relax in the beautiful garden. And also we have some mini bars. We have a kettle, caps, some drinks. And the bath.
The bath and superior room have bathtub and shower it's together, and it's not so big but the room as in Cabana rooms or Cabana Premium Deluxe Villa. And this is a wardrobe, safe, umbrellas, sleepers.
And good morning, Sintara Kachan Hotel. It's a beautiful morning today. We live in front of pool and go to the beach.
Superior garden rooms located in separated two-floor building near garden swimming pool. So room can be on first floor with terrace or on second floor with big balcony. Cozy and well-appointed 42 square meters room featuring modern amenities and stunning views of the garden or pool. Maximal accommodation has 3 adults or 2 adults and 1 child till 12 years in twin beds with an extra bed in this superior garden room. And I drink coffee on my beautiful balcony with beautiful view on the Sintara Kachan Tropicana Resort. The price